Hey everyone, do you know about Power BI? It's an amazing data visualization tool that helps you make sense of complex data sets. Here are 5 important uses of Power BI. Business Intelligence Power. BI helps businesses understand their data, analyze trends, and make informed decisions. Marketing Analytics. Power BI is an excellent tool for marketers who want to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns and understand customer behavior. Financial Reporting. Power BI can be used to create financial dashboards, reports, and models that help organizations track their finances and make better financial decisions. Sales Analytics. Power BI can help sales teams track their performance, identify opportunities for growth, and forecast future sales. Human Resources Power. BI can be used to analyze employee data, track employee performance, and create HR dashboards that help HR teams make informed decisions. How to use Power BI? Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool that can help you visualize and analyze data. To get started with Power BI, you'll need to sign up for an account and download the Power BI desktop application. Once you've done that, you can begin connecting to data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, and text files. You can also use Power Query to access external data sources, like web pages, and combine them into a single data model. From there, you can create visuals like charts and graphs to help you explore and analyze your data. Additionally, you can share your dashboard with colleagues and publish it to the web so it can be accessed from anywhere. With Power BI, you have the power to transform your data into powerful visual insights. How can we learn Power BI? Learning Power BI is a great way to gain new skills and strengthen your professional profile. There are a variety of resources available to help you get started. We recommend the Power BI Academy, which offers free online tutorials and courses to help you learn the basics. You can also access Microsoft's Power BI documentation, which provides a comprehensive guide to the platform. Good luck and have fun!